Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Bruno here. Today we have a new floor plan to show you. This is from Entegra Coach, the Odyssey SE. This is a 22 TF floor plan. 22 feet, non-slide, small, compact. Maybe you're thinking of a conversion van, but you want something just a smidgen bigger, just a smidgen wider. This might be an option for you. Let's take a closer look at it. From the outside, nice large power awning covering the entire camping area. Large storage in the back. I mean, look at this storage spot. Now you have a place to put your barbecue, slide a bike in there, different gear without having to worry about putting a rear bicycle rack, etc. Let's take a walk inside and look at some of the features. Now, we bring you fantastic RVs, detailed walkthroughs, upgrade tutorials, parts reviews, and even some automotive content. This is RVing TV. Walk inside and look at some of the features. Now, it is built on a C-Class van chassis by Ford, so you have all your Ford appointments, your steering wheel controls up front. As is traditional in a C-Class, the overhead bunk, very simple and straightforward being an SE. The SE model focuses on value and a great price point, especially if you're new to the RVing industry. An L-shaped dinette here that gives you just enough space. Really, this type of coach is geared around two people, but having a little more storage or a spot that you could bring kids along, meaning more like adult kids that are popping by to see you. Good kitchenette with 2-burner range, stainless steel round sink, storage drawers below, some storage above, the convection microwave for cooking. What I really like is you have a 10 cubic foot Furrion fridge in here. I mean, look at the amount of space to put food and all those beautiful, delectable items that you want to take with you camping. Now, the 22F is actually a twin bed layout, so we'll show you the twin beds here. There's storage above, and that's a nice bank of storage. I do like that they've placed 3 windows around the back, and I'm seeing that in a lot more coaches. They're making sure they're putting in the 3 windows to really give you lots of light. Now, the nice thing is this can convert to a king-size bed. I'm going to try to do this one-handed. You take this cushion, flip it around, pull it. Okay, so we're not going to be able to do it one-handed. Let's put this right here. Pull the cushion back. I hope you can see that all right. Drop it in place. And now you've got yourself essentially a king-size bed. There's still some storage drawers down below here and some storage cabinets on both sides with hanging rods, right? So you have that wardrobe space, which you're always short on when you have a short floor plan. As we swing around to look at the bathroom, decent countertop space with some storage below, a window. Hello everyone, medicine cabinet. Since I have you saying hello here, I like to, in my videos, ask you at this time, please like and subscribe the video. It really helps us out. Nice large rectangular shower, and I'll pan up so that you can see all the little nooks on the side to put soap and shampoo. So you've got 4 spots there, just nicely appointed. Again, nothing over the top in an SE, very value orientated, with all the finishings that you would want to be able to get you out and go camping at a reasonable price point. Also, great introduction to the Entegra Coach name. Overall, I like this kind of layout. I'm starting to see it more and more around because it makes sense. Good living space here in the center, twin beds that convert to kings, and just a nice small compact package to be able to get out and travel without breaking the bank. Well, this is a 2025 Odyssey SE, brand new floor plan, the 22TF by Entegra Coach. If you like the video, please click the like button, please hit the subscribe and the notification bell, and you'll be notified as more great videos come available on Entegra Coach product and other great manufacturers in the RV industry. Thanks everyone for watching. Check back soon. Take care.